CAD 911, please state the nature of your emergency.
I'm going to try my hand at something quick here. So this is typical. Chief drew the walls, and then you put in the door and the window. And I've never liked the labeling system like this. I've had people say 30 by 68, or they just don't know. The plans that I used to frame back in the day, it would be 3 and then superscript 0 and then 6 and then superscript 8. And on this one, the old timer would teach us things like put your spine against the hinge side, and then whichever arm swings open the door, that's the swing of the door. So this would be a right swing door. That's how you would know. So I complained about this, and I don't know the solution. I'm just like, why can't Chief do this? And I was able to find there's some very smart people that use Chief Architect and write Ruby code to make it do things. And so I contacted a gentleman up in Alaska, and this is what he built. And I added this part here. This is a macro for hinge size. I'm going to show you what's going on here. You open up the door, you go to label, and here's his macro, superscript opening, and then I put a space, and then I typed in hinge side, and this is the result right here. The script is under CAD, text macro management, and it's right here. It's this one. So anyways, if you want this, contact this guy right here. His name is Michael. Last name starts with the letter B. And send him the email and tell him what you want. And he's going to send you, let's see if I have this over here. You're going to get 2 files. Let me just do this. You're going to get a custom font, and you're going to get the JSON file that you would use to install. And then what you do is come here to doors and windows in your, and this needs to be in your template, okay? Like I'm actually tweaking this out of the box into a new 2015 or X15 template. You go to not dimensions. You go to doors, and you pick the doors that have hinges. So you go through all these and you highlight them. Like even the shower door has a hinge, and you go to label and you put in this text. And then that way, from now on, any door you drop in there is going to have that. And same with Windows. Only thing about Windows is it's just got the superscript. It defaults what type of window it is. This happens to be double hung. The only other cool thing would be is if it would do like the XOX type thing, or the XO or the OX. A lot of people use that old system, and that would be handy to have as an option to check box, but we don't need that. So anyways, I got what I wanted. When I do my plans, now I can, when I say 3068, everybody understands what that means. That's 3 feet 0 and 6 foot 8. 2840. So there you go. And that's the guy, and that's the video.